Poor blood clot bike. Poor blood clot bike. Poor bike. Me sorry for the bike there, you know. He dog supposed to tired. Him come live today. Him supposed to blood clot tired of for the look riding the way you do upon him. We do upon the bike. The bike supposed to froze you now. Because under you, Rosealee, never get no blood clot sun, never get no shine, never get no light, nothing. The back wheel supposed to flat. The back wheel supposed, the bike back supposed to think. How we balance the bike? Me want to know. You know, say that you have talent in many ways. As Marga on the seam, so is a strong youth. Cause how he managed that bike there when you did the panic? Oh, straight him go. Him could lead, him could turn. Half straight him go. Half when me see Daima blood clot cheer on this dirty fat hog. Me said, boy, Daima, boy, I love Fred Daima. You see when you are somebody afraid, you see the black, you see two people in a Daima. Daima, when you are somebody afraid, you see through them flaws, darling. And I like that about you, because it could be me. Would I have to run one little joke between that? Me no say the dog never bend no corner. He dog just go straight on the road. Me know that. Else they would have dropped. They would have dropped to blood. Cause me know it's sweet Daima, me know.
Look what I mean, I like you. None at all. And we're not good for understand, say. Anytime you walk on and fuck with people, me notice with him now. You walk on and fuck with him, with people, and you hear him cheerleader in the background of cheer man. Who realize that? Him have a personal cheerleader over here. When he walk and fuck with people, she walk and done people. In personal cheerleader. I see them now.
Boy, think girl, we see how I mind game on our try. And that now go work over here, so tell me I tell you that. Me, see how I mind game on our try, and it now go work, darling. You see it? So big fat Rosealee, nice try. Nice try. You see the mind game, nice try. Where I try though? Sour power. Fat thinking girl. We know. We know. We been know it. We been know it. What that call ya? I'm here strength for now. I'm here strength for. Buffalo, I'm here strength for. Cowley, I'm here strength for. Wheelie, I'm here strength for. I'm here strength for now. Bike Lee, I'm here strength for man. Because imagine, fats and oil, imagine ugly, imagine. Rosalie, me have to really, me have to wonder if I really, is if like, your sister delusional thing I work, I run with it. Me have to really wonder if your sister the delusional thing I work and you run with it. Me have to really wonder because you probably see it at work and you start run with it. Me have to really wonder, darling. Fats and I, me have to really wonder. I've never seen somebody so delusional like you. Honestly, I've never seen it, and I'm very fucking concerned. I'm really concerned about that. Honestly.
Some love. Me not think me and Diamond figure out to follow you up. I keep to follow. Who say me used to say me know them see it, you know. Yeah, but him really mentally disturbed. I don't need to be turned on a person to be feel happy. Me don't need to big up my chest and say I'm king to feel happy.
So what did you do with Candy? You come over here. I go on like you're this big content creator. We're not trouble people. You just do your own thing. What about what you did with fucking Candy and Jakes? What about that? What about that? So when you come over here and I come go and like say, you're this nice girl, you come over here so you make content, you do good over here so you don't even like your mother. So what the fuck you talk about? Yeah, come go like innocent, but figure it out them and Akim not follow me. What the fuck? Me give up, me want a man follow me up. You feel like so boy bust me over here so? No man not follow me up. You feel like me want a man follow me up? Me a look man fi follow me up. When me a chat, are you me a chat? Don't call the man them name like this. You see it? Don't call the man them name like this. Me afraid. Don't call the man name like this, bro. Are you me a chat? Don't bring no man name like this. Yeah, come look company. When you do your fuck with, that look company, man. You never see the dog them in, bro. The only man who would have come over here so and I explain to people, explain to people, and a blood clot figure it out. That are the only man would have come over here so and I explain to people. You see it? Yeah, try make the man them pre me. Bro, I mean not give a fuck if them a pre me neither, bro. Because what? No man never build me thing, bro. Me not pre no man. But what some make you know say if a man a pre me, I don't give a fuck. Bro, me not care. But are you me a chat about for thinking pig? Are you me a chat about? Don't bring no man into this. Fight a one war. Respectfully. Come remember some afraid. We not care about no man. Me not care about no boy. You see it? Me I do my thing over here, so bro, and them do for them thing over there, so bro. Period. Remember son me and them grew up. I two of them grew up, bro. So them have loyalty to one another, bro. You see it? Them don't know from now if you have no loyalty to me, bro. You see it? Me don't know them from now if you have no loyalty to them neither. Them a do them thing over there, so bro, and it a work for them. Make them continue do for them thing over there, so you see it? From once a man no call me name, and a man no move like he want to check me, him good over there, so bro. Them and they never do me nothing yet. You see it? Them never do me nothing yet. But Rose, I swear I try. I swear I try. I swear I try. I swear I try. And you're not Rose. You're very dunce. You're very dunce, darling. You're very dunce. You see it? Big sure. You're very dunce and delusional. I'm going to see through you. It's hard to see through you because you're big and fat and think. But I see through you. You's a bad mind girl. A long time a bad mind me, no Rose. Rose, a long time a bad mind me, no. I'm really checking levels, you know, for real, no. A long time a bad mind me, no. You bad mind me a long time, bro. I tell that. Me not ask you. Long time a bad mind me thinking, girl. Long time the hug your bad mind me for true. And it obvious. Me you have to spell it out, bro. Cause listen to this.
Becomes like a... Who remember this? Oh, you lucky so for their number one every single day. And me say something, me say you have pages where you use, people are use your own money of a page shoot. You can't lucky so. I have been here from here before. I've been long time there. I said the one who say we number one. Sometimes them number one becomes like and they see them on the board with one per diamond. Them recycle. Uno a long time in the pan TikTok, no found no soap and ranking at data.
Where we if you get money from, fear put yourself a number one every fucking day. Man like a me. You see it? Man like a me, bro. Where the fuck me I get money from? Bro, me not chopping a bro. Me not need to do them thing then, bro. Think wise, big up. Me not need to do that. Guys, you know follow think wise. Bro, me not need to do that. So Rosealee, like how back in them time there, me did a card clean or whatever you want to say. Okay. So that you know I do now? How card feeling, how the card cleaning thing feel right now? Say you getting number one, how it feel now? Right now you could feel yourself and I say, oh, Jano Star, you know, so a genuine gift Jayden did I get for you? I follow the page long time. Guys, you know follow the page. Follow Thinkwise new pages. You see it. I am going to send a lion. Okay, alright, Thinkwise. Chat, you know follow the page. Follow Thinkwise page. Everybody follow the page. Chat, me and no man no good. You see it. A man over there, so bro, and me there over yassa, bro. Me and no man no good. The dog, them a do them thing, and me a do my thing over. Yes, sir, bro. You see it? I don't need to trouble them. Me don't need to trouble them. Them don't need to trouble me. Dog, them a do them thing, and me a do my thing, bro. You see it? Cause, oh, you fi say, Me there so bro. Me there so bro. Me I say blood clot. Me see something up there now. Me see something up on number one. You see it? Me see something up on number one. I go take him down. Thanks you will. Something up on number one, you know. You see it? I go take him down, you know. You see what I'm saying? Yeah man, I go take him down. Bro, me always say that, bro. You did ask me for that. Bro, me always I say that, bro. Man, I say me I call them Batman. Bro, what the fuck me I call, bro? Come on, bro, ranking not so serious. It not so serious, bro. Cause a long time I put on this shit. I'm gonna go on with it. It not so serious, my father. You see it? The ranking not so serious, bro. Shut up, bro. I even, bro. The dog them are even a problem, you know. I big fat thinking wheel, you know. I'm telling you, bro. Me nah look no any part, bro. Me nah look no enemy. No enemy, me nah look. You see it? Bro, if you don't know me, dog, if you don't know me, if me feel like me do something wrong, me come apologize to you. To where things on time I move now, me not trust nobody. Me don't want to see nobody, dog. Me don't want to see nobody, bro. Me don't want to see no friend. Me don't want to see nobody. Nobody me don't want to see. I'm gonna apologize to nobody when me do nothing. You see it? I'm gonna apologize to nobody when me do nothing, bro. You see me I say? I can't make drain my energy, dog. If me feel afraid, station. Me love station. Station, bro. Ramesh, police. We need local police officer. Right now, if you come on my yard. Right now, if you come. I'm tapping this. Anyways. Me just send no daily at me. Me just can't bother with it. You see it? Me just can't bother with it, bro. You see it? Me not like problem, bro. Sometimes. As me I say, ugly are the problem, bro. On the compound TikTok, bro. Bro, this is a fun app. This is all funds and game. You see it? If a man says something about you when I like, this a whole entertainment in a dog. I can't too sensitive pan a app, bro. You know much thing them people put pa my name, dog. A whole heap of thing them people put pa my name, bro. Chat a whole heap rank them not chang like me, bro. That's why. And everybody chang like me. You see it? And everybody chang like me, bro. Come on, that thing on the put for my name over here. Brush. Stop telling about TJ, no man. Brush. One bag of thing. Stop telling about TJ, you. One bag of thing on the put for my name. And that still never make me falter, youth. Tell me that. Me still never make that make my falter. Well, on my father. Me still never make that make my falter, bro. No company up, bro. Just company up, dog. And enjoy yourself, bro. Make no money. Go. And it's simple as that, bro. Simple as that, in a father. Simple as that, bro. Yeah. Think wise, I know the thing go. You know. Yeah, man, think wise, of course, I believe in a God. What do you start believe in a God for true, you know? But yeah, stop telling about TJ and me not ready to go for TJ. I'm serious now, man. Me not run no joke no man. I tell. Me not run no joke right now, bro. Serious time, bro. Me not run no joke, bro. You see it?
Me never disrespect you yet. Never.
Me not come over here and bad up myself, bro. Never. Me not come over here and bad up myself. You see it? Nah, do that, bro. You see it? Come on, believe in them things, them humble dog. As much, bro, when you see me in a real life, bro, me I won't bless you. Tell me that, yeah. But you can't walk over me, bro. When you see me in a real life, bro, you cannot walk over me, bro. Tell you that. You cannot walk over me, dog. When me in a real life, bro, it's when me not, bro, it's when me in a real life, bro. Me not run joke. Me not run joke, bro. No boy can walk over me, no girl can walk over me. So Rosealee, if you feel like you can walk over me, bro, or I try to set me up, you can't work though. I tell you that. You don't never hear say Jayden get boxed up, bro. I tell you that. Stop trying to set me up, youth. Years on top of years, you try to set me up, bro. Very paranoid. Paranoid as fuck.